Hi Casey, thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I just wanted to show you some of the features of this liquor inventory management tool that I didn't have a chance to demo during the interview. I showed you the add empty measurement button, but really these three here, add inventory, measure inventory, and enter sales, those are the features that are really add value to a sports bar or a bar in general. So I'll go ahead and show you measure inventory. So this is the measure inventory user form, and I've designed it to be as ergonomic as possible to make it quick and easy for anybody really to do a liquor weighing. So if you'll see here, this is a list of all the liquors that Pizza Schmitza has. It's alphabetical right now, but if you click it, it'll populate this liquor info box here. Problem is, this is alphabetical, so ergonomically, liquors are not going to be on the shelf alphabetically. They're going to be, top shelf liquors, top shelf whiskey, top shelf scotch. Then you come down to the, second row, and so forth, and they're definitely not going to be alphabetical. So I've added a feature to edit that list order. We don't want it alphabetical. We want it in this custom order right here. In this box, if there was anything that had not yet been moved over to the custom order, they would appear here, and then you can double click them. They'll move over, and then once they're over here, you can move them up and down based on where they are on your shelf. So this right here is actually Pizza Schmitza's custom order, so let's go ahead and use that custom order. You come back, voila, it's now in Pizza Schmitza's custom order. So let's get to measuring, right? So you just select the first one on the list. It shows you what, all the information about it, full weight and empty weight here, some other little info, but full weight and empty weight just are to help you in case, oops, I entered a measurement that, oh, that's too much. Sorry, try again. So let's just go with 888 or whatever. All right, so you got your measurement, no empties. You can toggle that up and down, and you get to weighing. I got my olive oil bottle here, so pop it on the scale, get the measurement, click submit, and the item disappeared from the list. Automatically, the next one in the list is selected, and the weight text box, this field is automatically activated. So all I have to do is grab the next bottle, weigh it, pop in the measurement, click submit. Disappears from the list. Automatically the next one is selected. The text box for the weight is activated, and enter my weight. Click submit. Disappears from the list. Next one. Oop, too much. Oh, that's not going to work. So let's do 888. Submit. Submit. And you can see that as I do these, the list on the right gets shorter and shorter. So really fast, really easy for anybody to measure it. Once I'm done, let's say I'm finished, which, there's still about 80 bottles that haven't been measured on this list, but once I click finished, it's going to go through some finalization steps. Those include, if I haven't entered a measurement, it's going to bring down the previous measurement. Assume that, nothing has been used, so it's going to take the previous measurement and, fill in the blank with that. It's going to take the previous inventory level and fill in the blank there. So that's what it's thinking about right now. It's filling in those blanks, and once it's done that, the report in the background is going to be automatically updated with the measurement that I just did. There you go. So that's got all the information I just popped in there. And that kind of same ergonomic design is in the add inventory and enter sales user forms as well. They're all different. So here in the intake form, this is in alphabetical order just because, as you buy inventory and you're trying to add in the inventory, it's not going to be from left to right. It's going to be, random. So alphabetical makes more sense, but it'll also help if you could filter by liquor type. There you go. So, hey, I got a couple of vodkas I want to enter here. Just show me my vodkas. I've got a couple of scotches I want to enter. Just show me my scotches, right? So, and then once you come here, you can, click on rye. I want to add one bottle of rye, one bottle of Crown. Oh, wait, I had another bottle of rye I wanted to add. You click on that again, it'll tell you right there, you've already added one. You want to add another one? Yeah, let's add another one. So, oh, look, I've got 2 bottles already. So, hey, and it's filling in the background there, so that's cool. But yeah, same thing with this. If I want to say finished and finalize it, it'll bring everything down. If I don't want to say finished, I can come back and add more inventory later. So let's say I want to come back. Did you want to resume the last one, or did you want to start a brand new one? Hey, let's resume that last one. Come in here. I've got more stuff I want to add, but let's say we want to finalize this one right now. It's going to do the same thing. It's going to look through all of the inventory that we have possible to add. Anything that's blank, it's going to assume you didn't buy any of that, so it's going to populate. It's going to bring down the previous inventory levels and fill in all the blanks for you. And once it's done filling in all the blanks, the report in the background is automatically going to update with that information. There you go. So, cool little tool that I've built here. It's my baby, and it's been a lot of fun. And yeah, I'm sure you could see how something like this might be helpful to Velocitel. So, thanks for taking the time to watch the video, and thanks again for the interview. Hope to talk to you soon. Bye.